Imagine this 79-year-old catalog showed up in your mailbox today, and you could fill out the order form found inside and get new old stock clamps right from 1947. Despite their age, these would still be better than any new clamp you can buy today. For over a century, the adjustable clamp company's Pony and Jorgensen lines set the standard for American-made clamps. They refused to ever waver on quality, and flipping through this catalog, you can see exactly why. Tucked inside the cover, there's a letter to their customers printed just after World War II, when materials were still hard to get. It was an apology letter, but not because they let this affect the quality of their tools. Instead of cutting corners, they did something most companies wouldn't. They warned their customers orders might be delayed, not because demand was high, but because they refused to substitute inferior materials just to ship product, while other manufacturers were making compromises to keep up. Jorgensen held the line. They made it clear. Every clamp leaving their factory would still meet the same heavy-duty pre-war standard. No shortcuts, no cheaper alternatives, no exceptions. They refused to make a cheaper substitute just to fill orders. And here we see the tool that started it all. Back in 1901, Hans Jorgensen forever changed the woodworking world when he invented the very first Peerless adjustable handscrew with steel spindles. Before Jorgensen came along, craftsmen were forced to rely on the old-style wooden handscrews, which were fragile and notoriously prone to breaking. So, Jorgensen's new design threw out the wooden threads entirely, upgrading to cold-drawn steel spindles with special rapid-type threads. Not only did this make them practically indestructible, but it also allowed the jaws to pivot and adjust to a massive variety of positions. Suddenly, a carpenter could clamp down on flat or highly uneven work with perfectly even pressure, without any slipping or twisting. And the prices in 1947? A dozen of the small 5-inch jaw hand screws would cost you $15. If you wanted the massive 24-inch jaws, you were paying $60 a dozen. And just a moment ago on page 4, we started taking a look at their high-speed steel bar clamps. Part of what makes these clamps so incredible is that the bars have no notches cut into them at all. Instead, Jorgensen used their exclusive multiple-disc clutch system. This clutch gripped the bar automatically at any point, meaning you could instantly slide the tailstop right up to your work without any drag or potential for sticking. It wouldn't slip under a heavy load, or even if you were hammering on the workpiece, but it released effortlessly if you applied some gentle pressure to the finger grip. As we continue through the catalog, you can see how they adapted this brilliant clutch system for every possible job. They understood that working with clamps often meant working within a variety of different constraints, and so they created a full suite of different profiles, ranging from eye-shaped bars for ultimate strength to long and shallow reach options, and even offering inverted options which flip the location of the top and bottom jaws to allow work in hard-to-reach areas. And these clamps would run you anywhere from around $24 to $78 per dozen, depending on the size and specs. And in the following pages, after we take a quick look at their spring steel and combination cabinet clamps, we'll get into the steel bar clamp fixtures. This is where they really took the clever design and functionality of their clamps to the next level. And this brings us into some of the clamps from the adjustable clamp company's Pony line. They understood that the true value that they brought to their customers was their clamping fixtures, not the simple pipe that supported them. This suite of clamping heads was designed to fix on standard pipe, with options for 3/4 and 1/2-inch pipe sizes. Because the multiple disc clutch didn't rely on notches or holes in the pipe to work, you could just buy regular pipe at any length you wanted and instantly have a custom high-strength clamp. And so, they didn't force their customers to pay for pipe at a premium, and gave them the option to buy a dozen sets of their clamps with no pipe for anywhere from $18 to $45, depending on the model. This enabled their customers to own a set of any length of clamp that they needed, as long as they had the right length of pipe. But the adjustable clamp company wasn't just known for their hand screws and bar clamps, they also had a very impressive lineup of C-clamps. Starting here on page 18, they showcase their smaller Pony Style 200 line built for light assembly, running between around $3 to $27 per dozen, depending on the size. These featured well-proportioned malleable iron frames and freely revolving turned steel swivels. But the real magic starts on page 20 with the Jorgensen carriage clamps, which started at just $9 a dozen for the smallest size and went up to $50 for the largest. If you look closely at the foot of these malleable iron frames, you'll see they cast a special V-notch right into the anvil. This seemingly simple feature allowed you to easily take a rock-solid hold on rounded sections or corners without needing any special attachments, and it didn't interfere at all when you needed to clamp flat surfaces. They carried this ingenious V-notch design into their extra deep body clamps, as well as their heavily rounded deep throat clamps. And as we flip to the final few styles of C-clamps, the engineering just gets beefier. Page 24 features their drop-forged steel C-clamps. Instead of cast iron, these frames were drop-forged in dies from high-carbon steel and heat-treated to give you extreme stiffness without any excess weight. But the absolute coolest clamp in this section is on page 26, their shielded welders clamps, which would cost a professional welder anywhere from around $6 to $12 each. Anyone who welds knows the frustration of spatter destroying the threads on a C-clamp. So they fixed this by building a protective shield over the full length of the clamp screw, guarding it from welding arc, spatter, and direct contact with the torch itself. They even heavily ribbed the special analysis malleable iron frame to resist side strains from the metal, expanding under extreme heat. This was yet another example of just how much they cared about the quality that they delivered for their customers. But this is where the story takes a sad turn. For over a century, the Adjustable Clamp Company made these incredible tools in Chicago. Generations of American woodworkers grew up tightening those orange-painted clamps. But times change. In 2016, the company was struggling in suspended operations. The brands were eventually bought out by another company in 2017, and their manufacturing was moved overseas. While you can still buy new clamps with the Jorgensen name on them today, they are no longer the made in Chicago heavy iron that built the brand's legendary reputation. But here is the good news. Because Pony Jorgensen built these things to last multiple lifetimes, you can still find them everywhere. If you go to a flea market or estate sale, you'll almost certainly find a pile of these old paint-chipped orange clamps. Don't pass them up. Buy the vintage ones, clean the threads, oil the wooden jaws, and put them back to work. A 70-year-old Jorgensen clamp will outperform and outlast almost anything you can buy brand new at the big box store today. They were built for an era where failure simply wasn't an option. Do you guys have any vintage Pony or Jorgensen clamps hanging on the wall in your shop? Or do you prefer to use modern clamps? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more vintage tool history posted every week. And let me know if there's another tool catalog that you'd like to see featured next.